Good afternoon, everybody. Here we go. We're going to do a wonderful question about portion webs. So hope you guys remember these. This question is a little different because it asks you to also diagram what each portion represents. I've chosen 100% grids to show each of these portions. You could have done number lines or little bar models that show portions, but they're kind of weird portions like 23 hundredths. Well, jumping right into it, 23 hundredths is what this is, and that's was easier for me to represent on a 100% grid. So this 3 is in the hundredths place. If I read this number as 23 hundredths, that is what this is. 23 hundredths. What's nice about this is that percents are always out of 100, so this becomes 23%. Some students like moving the decimal place twice to get your percent. That would also get you 23%. And then if I were to fill this in, let's get a highlighter. I want 23%. So here's 10, here's 20, and here's 1, 2, 3. That's 23 out of 100. That's 23% or 23 hundredths. Here we have 7 tenths. 7 tenths. So 7 tenths. If I use the giant 1, I can get this into hundredths pretty easily. And that would become 70 hundredths. So we're looking at 70%. And 7 tenths as a decimal is like that. Moving your decimal twice, once, twice, you would get 70%. So 7 tenths, well, here's 1 tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4, 5, 6, 7 tenths, or 7D. Individual smaller boxes, 70 out of 100. All right, 19%. Well, 19% is 19 out of 100. So 19 of these out of 100. Or 19 hundredths. 19 hundredths. And that's how I would write it. 19 hundredths. Whoa. Let's get back here and get our highlighting tool. That's 10, and this is 19. 19 hundredths. Last but not least, let's do 17 25ths. I'm not sure how to write that as a decimal. It's not in tenths or hundredths or thousandths. Oh wait, good news. I can use the giant 1 to make it into hundredths. Turn my denominator into hundredths instead of 25ths by multiplying by 4 fourths. 4 fourths. 25 times 4 is 100. And 17 times 4. I'm going to break up 17 into 10 times 7. 10 plus 7. 4 tens makes 40, and 4 sevens makes 28. So 17 times 4 is 68. 68 hundredths. So that makes 68%. And also 68 hundredths. 68 hundredths. And let's do that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is portion webs. Please join me for another edition later.